Overheating is a rare issue among Samsung devices and can be one of the most frustrating issues to deal with. Most people don't know how to fix overheating problems, but the fact is, fixing it is relatively easy, especially if the main reason is software or app related and not due to a hardware malfunction. In this video, we'll show you the things that you must do if your Samsung keeps overheating when you're using it. To rule out any problems with the original charging cable or adapter, try using a different pair that you know works. The point is to ensure that the current cable and adapter are not defective and causing unnecessary pressure on your Samsung phone or tablet. It's possible that the charging port may get obstructed if you accidentally introduce pocket lint or other debris into the port. Try using a magnifying glass or something similar to peer into the charging port and see if there is a problem. See if you can find anything that doesn't belong. Then take it out. It's possible that the device's unusual warmth when charging is due to a bent pin. A short might be the result of the bent pin. Some Samsung devices are water resistant. However, it doesn't mean that it is completely impervious to water. If the gadget is dropped or is struck with enough force, the seal that keeps water out might be broken. Don't use compressed air to remove water, moisture, or liquid from the charging port. Do not attempt to use your phone until it has dried out. There's nothing you can do except shake the phone around in the hopes that the water would eventually evaporate. Your phone may be reset to factory settings to see whether the issue is software related. This will reset the software to its factory settings and erase all data from the device. If the software is in its original factory configuration and no further programs have been loaded, we know that charging will go smoothly. However, if your Samsung device continues to charge intermittently or not at all, you may have a hardware problem. Here's what you need to do. Create a backup of your personal data and remove your Google account. Open Settings app, scroll to and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options. Read the information, then tap Reset to continue. Tap Delete All to confirm action. Charging issues may be the result of a defective battery. It's possible that the battery or the motherboard is broken if charging still causes problems after a factory reset. You might try swapping the battery to see if it helps. If your Samsung does not have a removable battery pack, consider getting help from a professional to do this. You can bring your device to an electronics shop or a repair shop to see if they can replace the battery for you. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.